In SOURIAU Clipper series of connectors offer a quick and cost-effective connectivity solution in industrial applications. The Clipper series are durable plastic connectors that are interchangeable with other MIL C5015 connectors, reducing cost without compromising performance even in harsh conditions. Clipper series connectors feature a half-turn bayonet coupling with audible feedback in a scoop-proof design to prevent damage during mating. They're available with sealing up to IP69K, salt spray resistance greater than 1,000 hours, and are UV resistant and corrosion proof for excellent life expectancy in harsh indoor and outdoor applications. A unique plate retention system safely secures contacts while allowing for tool-free insertion and removal to reduce installation complexity, time, and cost.